Do you know what really grinds my gears? When I spend hours creating content and then have to spend another several hours transferring that content from A to B. I have trialed and tested many different softwares, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how I now save hours and hours using Google Drive. Let's do it. If you haven't already, for whatever reason, smash the like button and the subscribe button. Before we do get into the video, you need to stop playing yourself. Get yourself into the 14-day trial that Lead Pages are doing. You can literally go ahead, make your own website without paying a penny or a dime, should I say. Click on the first link in the description, get your first 14 days completely free. So I knew that there was something missing from my process and knew that I could simplify it somehow. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add Google Drive onto your Mac itself, so you can literally just transfer files from your hard drive straight into your Google Drive account, which is going to make it so much easier when it comes to collaborating with others. And by doing that, you're literally going to save minutes, if not hours, off of your whole content creation process. First things first, you're going to need a Google Drive account, and I would also go ahead and set all of your folders up within Google Drive before you do this, simply to make it easy and straightforward when you actually add it to your Mac. Now you want to go ahead and go to the first link in the description, and that is going to be where you can go and download the actual app. You can download this on Mac and PC, and I'm told it's very similar on PC. Pick whether you are on PC or Mac, and of course hit that big download button. This is then going to allow you to create a bridge from your Google Drive account straight into your hard drive, and this alone is going to save you so much time. Organization will be a huge factor when it comes to you being able to consistently create quality content. By doing this, you're leaning down your process, simplifying your system, and getting rid of one more tab in your browser. And actually feels good. Less is more. Less is more. Download the program and open it up. Now it's going to pop up into your computer's hard drive. Go ahead and open Google Drive, the app, straight away. And straight from here, I can just go ahead and start dragging and dropping files in. And because we've got this app open, it's going to automatically sync into your Google Drive account. And if you have a team in place that they are then fulfilling these editing or content creation processes, once you upload that content, then that is literally all you have to do. Of course, you have to train the team beforehand to take those steps off of you, but if that is already automated, then that is all you have to do. And that is why I love it. So another thing you can do is you can actually drag those folders into your sidebar on your Mac, and when you close the application, they just disappear and reappear when you open that app. That's why I love it so much, because obviously you might not necessarily want this 24/7, 7 days a week, but when you are ready to upload, you just open this app, those folders are going to appear, the ones that you use the most, and you can just drag your files straight in there and you're literally done. Clean as, simple process. Hope it helps. It's going to save so much time for you guys creating content and designing the future. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.